You want the box? Or you want to cut that? Oh!
Yeah, that's going to happen.
Don't do that. You want a veil? I can give you a veil. Seriously. I got one for you in the trunk. It's back in my trunk.
Let me have the box. You got your box is not ready over there yet.
I'm waiting for the cinder blocks. They're coming.
Oh.
I got a special order out. You want a cutter?
No, I'm just going to shake
him in?
Then I might have to come up.
All right, this is it, guys.
You get a drum roll?
This is the moment.
Shake them? No, don't shake that.
I did that. Now let me move it closer to this place.
Yeah. Put it right where I was going to put the cinder block. Let me later, but this has got to put it.
Where's the camera?
You got covers? Covers?
I got a cover. You ready for the cover?
I need it right now.
What the heck is the cover?
I think they ran over it with the car.
I had a cover on it.
Don't walk, run. Find it.
I already just got my car. There you go. You want frames to fill it up or no?
Yeah.
The frames are right here. Yeah, I wanted everything. Here are the frames.
Amateurs.
Let's step on the frame. It's a cinder block.